O living creature. Hey dear unique, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Never believe what stupid people or many times old people tell you. But this is your homeland. This is your city. This is your neighborhood. You born here. This is your country. Your livelihood is here. And you should stay here. It's better for you. No, don't believe it. You know, God has given you different talents, amazing qualities. You can learn amazing and wonderful skills. You should be in this world now. You should be multidimensional and take steps to achieve your desires, your dreams, your goals. You can be that big wild animal like me that they can't keep you in that small cage. So break the cage and be free and create the beautiful world, the wonderful world you want for yourself. Live the life you want. Live the life you want. You know, I believe the whole planet Earth is our country, our home, our homeland. And you know, the whole planet Earth, where you found life, you came to life. You were created in this planet Earth. You came to exist by God, by nature, by I don't know, whatever force you believe. I think and I believe this world, you know, I told you, the whole planet Earth is your home. You can be wherever you want, your homeland, and wherever you love and know you can be yourself, you can grow, you can be happy and discover yourself. You can choose that place as your favorite home, your favorite land, your favorite city. You know what I mean? Look, dear, live regardless of any culture, religion, creed, or race, or living creature. Okay? Love you. Focus on yourself, your path, your energy. You cannot take someone else's place. And also, no one can take your place. Okay? Ashe. Amira. Rani. Bye.